Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to hide or remove recently visited sites from appearing in your Firefox home or new tab page in your Firefox web browser. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up on Firefox browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner, and then i-click mo lang yung 3-line icon na to, so click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, and then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung home, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa home, scroll down, and then dito lang sa Firefox home content. So ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-adject tong shortcuts, okay? So sites, you save or visit, ito yung sponsored shortcuts. So, kailangan mo lang i-uncheck tong box. Okay? So, uncheck mo lang yan. Alright. And then next, dito naman sa right side, pwede mo naman i-select dito yung arrow na to. And then, nandito yung mga rows. So, pwede kang mag-select dito ng 1 rows, 2 rows, 3 rows, or 4 rows. Alright? And then, dito naman sa recent activity. So, pwede mo naman itong i-uncheck. So, uncheck mo lang ito. Okay? So, open tayo another tab. And then, check natin. Ayan. So, makita mo dito na-remove na yung recently visited sites. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to remove recently visited sites shortcut icon from Mozilla Firefox browser. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.